Hello guys, you are welcome back again to this channel once again. Today my son wants to teach you how he makes his creamy noodles.
Okay, hello guys. Today we're gonna do creamy noodles. So we put water, then we take the noodles, we put this in, and we will not put the seasoning. We keep the season, put everything in. And it's good to use three because it's gonna be creamy and then it will not be so much. So you should use three.
It's still not too much for you.
No, because it will be creamy, then it will be like Monday too. Because the creamy will take it over.
This one eats a lot.
Use the noodles. This one.
So what's next?
So wait, the noodles go.
Hmm?
We just wait till the noodles go.
So he said we have to wait for the noodle to boil, for the noodle to get soft, okay? So remember, he is the chef here, okay? We have to obey. What are you going to do with that?
Take it down.
You just want to stir, okay? Now it's this way. What is this?
Butter.
You just take a butter, okay? Add it to a fry pan. That's it. Just tag me when your son cooks this kind of noodles. Tag me and let me see. We are going to be seeing how he's going to make this today. So he's going to cook as a chef today. Now, what are you pouring?
Milk.
He's pouring milk. Okay. My first time. I've not seen this before.
Then
What is this?
cheese.
Okay.
Take the cheese.
Okay.
You put it on.
Okay. It's gonna be creamy.
Yes.
So we stir. Okay. I'm feeling this already.
And then
What else are we going to be doing? What is this?
ketchup.
Ketchup. Oh, I haven't seen this before. Just add ketchup and stir. Okay. Let's see this combination how it's going to go. Wow, it's getting creamy. Wow, guys, are you seeing that? Are you seeing that, guys? It's getting creamy, guys. Whoa. This is better. What are you adding?
Salt.
Salt. Okay. You stir. Are you not going to be adding the spices?
Yeah.
Okay. So you add all the spice to it. Whoa.
We just take a bit of it.
Okay.
Then we mix.
Stir. Okay. I love the way it's creamy. Guys, are you seeing it? It's so creamy. Whoa.
And then you put this sauce in.
Okay, you turn it inside of noodles. Okay.
And enjoy your food. You mix. Put it. And mix.
Wow. So now it's kind of creamy. I haven't eaten this before. My son just made this. Okay. Creamy. What are we going to call it? Creamy noodles.
Yep.
Ooh. Ooh, look creamy already. Ooh. Time to eat. Time to eat. Guys, what do you think? It looks creamy already. I love the way it looks. I hope it's going to be yummy that way. Ooh. This is very good. I don't know who gave him this idea, but it's so good. Oh. Wow. Where did you see this idea?
From TikTok.
From TikTok. You see? All children go to TikTok for different reasons. My son learned this in the TikTok. Wow. So now it's plating on the plates. Oh my god. Guys, you have to see the way this is creamy. Oh, I'm feeling it already. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Whoa, creamy noodles. Creamy noodles. Enjoying with its juice. Bossy. Whoa, enjoyment. This guy loves enjoyment a lot. This is what he always do. Wow, this is lovely. Guys, are you feeling what I'm feeling? Yummy. So, what will you say to Deep Kitchen TV people?
Try this and you will enjoy.
Can you tell them to subscribe?
And subscribe.
Thank you so much. I enjoy watching your tips. Thank you.